In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a collaborative view in Airtable Base. A collaborative view is a powerful way to organize and share your data, making it accessible and editable for your entire team. Whether you're managing a project, tracking inventory, or just keeping tabs on essential information, this can streamline your workflow. Let's begin. First, we'll need to open a base in Airtable. To do this, log into your Airtable account and navigate to the base you wish to work with. If you're not already familiar with bases, think of them as the collection point for your projects. Each base is like its own little ecosystem, holding all the tables, views, and details relevant to your data needs. Once you're inside the base, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now it's time to click on Create New. This is where the magic really begins. You'll find this option usually located at the top section of the interface, possibly near other options like filters or sorting. Clicking here allows you to start shaping how your data will be structured and visualized. It's the first tangible step in crafting a space where collaboration can flourish. Next, you'll need to select List. Airtable offers various view types, each tailored for different needs: grid, calendar, Kanban, gallery, and others. For a collaborative setup, List is highly advantageous as it emphasizes details and streamlines communication among team members. Lists are intuitive and incredibly effective for neat and clear presentation. With the list selected, click on Collaborative. This option is pivotal because it transforms your view from a personal organizational tool into one that truly supports teamwork and collective input. By setting up a collaborative view, you ensure that each team member has immediate access to the same updated information, which reduces confusion and drives productivity. Finally, create a new view. When you do this, consider the needs of your team. Think about what fields are most important, how you can organize them effectively, and any specific filters or sort orders that would best suit the task at hand. By laying out the data in a clear and accessible format, you provide a solid foundation for effective collaboration. Remember, as each member of your team works within this collaborative view, their changes and updates will sync in real time, fostering a dynamic and efficient workflow. And there you have it, a streamlined guide to setting up a collaborative view in Airtable. This feature can greatly enhance the way you and your team handle data, making it easier to track, update, and manage information collaboratively. As you get more comfortable with these tools,